Sinful, the Aaron French dip sandwich. Start out by seasoning your roast with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. You want to season both sides and all of the edges. I'm going to get that seasoning all over it. We're going to set our Instant Pot on saute and hit start. And then with our oil in the pan, we're going to put our roast in there and we're going to sear all sides and edges. I used a big meat fork to kind of hold it up. We're going to remove that from the pan and set it aside. And go ahead and add our onions. And while we're doing our onions, we're going to scrape the bottom of the pan, try to get all of that wonderful, what we call fond, off of the bottom. That's all flavor. Once those onions are nice and soft, go ahead and add your wine. We're going to reduce our wine by half. And then go ahead and add our beef stock. Just kind of break the spine of a bay leaf and add that thyme. And return the meat to the pot. We're going to set pressure cook for 100 minutes or an hour and 40 minutes. And then hit start. After it's all done and we've let it release naturally for about 25 minutes, we're going to pull the meat out of the pot and put it on a flat pan. Strain the juices and get those onions and all that bay leaves and stuff out. And I went ahead and pressed all of that, and it turned the onions into kind of a gel that I went ahead and added back into the sauce. We're going to shred the meat. And then we're going to get our rolls ready. I use a garlic infused olive oil and then topped it with butter and a little bit of garlic powder. I like garlic. We're going to stick that in the broiler and just get it brown. You got to keep a real close eye on it. Once it's brown, pull it out and pile that meat on. Top the meat with some provolone cheese and put it right back in that broiler just long enough to let that cheese melt. And that's all there is to it. Serve it with the au jus sauce for dipping and you have the Aaron. I have a link to a printable PDF file in the description, but here's your recipe anyway. I sure would like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have an awesome day.